Dear students, good morning to all of you. In previous class, we have discussed atoms, molecules and its types. Now today, we will discuss laws of chemical combination. The laws of chemical combination played a significant role in the development of Dalton's atomic theory. आप नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी के बारे में पढ़ोगे। तो लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशंस, देयर आर टू लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशंस। लॉज ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास, next law of definite proportion. Both laws are very important. So at first we will discuss law of conservation of mass. According to this law, laws of matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. That means in a chemical reaction, the total mass of reactants is always equal to the total mass of the products. This law was discovered by Anthony Laurent Lavoisier in 1789. In this law, the total mass of reactants should be equal the total mass of the products. The first law, there are two important laws of chemical combination. First, law of conservation of mass. According to this law, matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. That is, the total mass of reactant, the total mass of reactants is always equal to the total mass of products in a chemical reaction. This law was discovered by Antony Laurent Lavoisier in 1789. Dear student, the reactions is mercuric oxide is heated. Mercury and oxygen is obtained. Suppose that in this reactions the mass of mercuric oxide is 100 gram is given, and mercury 92.6 gram and oxygen 7.4 gram are given. Example, mercury oxide HgO is to be heated. Mercury plus oxygen. In this reaction, the mass of mercury oxide is given 100 gram. Mercury mass 92.6 gram and oxygen 7.4 gram. In this reaction, the left side part are reactants and right side parts are products. So here the total mass of reactants is 100 gram and the total mass of products 92.6 gram plus 7.4 gram, total 100 gram. So these reactions follow the law of conservation of mass. Dear students, law of conservation of mass is a very important law for development of Dalton's atomic theory, because in these reactions the total mass of reactants and the total mass of products is same. So this law was proved by this reaction. Dear student, second law, law of constant proportion. Law of constant proportion states that in a chemical compounds, all elements are present in fixed ratios by mass. ये लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन कहता है. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लॉ ऑफ डेफिनेट प्रोपोर्शन. This law was given by Joseph L. Proust, 1794. Now starts. According to this law, in a chemical compound, the elements are present in fixed ratios by mass. It is also called law of definite proportion. This law was discovered by Joseph Louis Proust in 1794. Example: suppose that water, its formula H2O, prepared from any source contains hydrogen and oxygen, in the ratio of 2:16, that is 1:8 by mass. Dear students, suppose that one compound water is given, its formula H2O. By mass, in this compound, hydrogen and oxygen elements are always present in the fixed ratio, that is 1:8 by mass. Suppose that H2O by mass. In this formula, 2 atom hydrogen present, 2 into the mass of hydrogen atom 1, ratio oxygen 1 atom. यहां अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ, सपोज दैट इसको 1 मान दे, 1, इट्स एटॉमिक मास 16, तो 1 into 16, 2 into 1, 2, ratio 16. Its simplest form 1:8. Here hydrogen 1 gram and oxygen 8 gram by fixed ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in this compound. Suppose that carbon dioxide, in this compound carbon and oxygen are two elements. By mass, its fixed ratio, carbon 1 atom to 1 into the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Ratio, oxygen के 2 atom 2 into 16. 12 ratio 32. Its simplest form 3 ratio 8. In this compound, carbon 3 and oxygen 8. Fixed ratio में carbon and oxygen are present in carbon dioxide. Dear students, now we will read Dalton's atomic theory after laws of chemical combinations. Dalton's atomic theory. On the basis of laws of chemical combination, John Dalton proposed the behavior of matter could be explained using an atomic theory. He published his work about atomic theory in 1808. Dear student, डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी मैटर के बिहेवियर के बारे में अपने विचार को रखा कि मैटर किस प्रकार बिहेव करता है, उसके नेचर, शेप, साइज, इन सब के बारे में अपने एटॉमिक थ्योरी में एक्सप्लेन किया डाल्टन्स ने. There are many important points of Dalton's atomic theory. There are many important points of Dalton's atomic theory. डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी के बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं. फर्स्ट, all the matter is made up of very tiny particles called एटम. डाल्टन्स के एटॉमिक थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग सभी मैटर बहुत छोटे छोटे कणों से मिलकर के बने होते हैं. उसको डाल्टन ने एटम कहा. दैट मीन्स ऑल द मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी टीनी पार्टिकल्स कॉल्ड एटम. अनदर पॉइंट, atoms cannot be divided. डाल्टन्स की एटॉमिक थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग एटम्स डिवाइडेड नहीं किए जा सकते हैं. बट मॉडर्न साइंटिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग एटम्स आर डिवाइडेड into electrons, protons and neutrons. So this concept did not accepted by modern scientists. Third point, atoms can neither be can neither be created nor destroyed डाल्टन्स के एटॉमिक थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग एटम्स को ना तो क्रिएट किया जा सकता है, ना ही उसको डिस्ट्रॉयड किया जाता है, ना ही उसको नष्ट किया जा सकता है। दिस इज द थर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी। फोर्थ, all the atoms of a given elements are identical in mass, size and chemical property। कोई भी एलिमेंट्स का जो एटम्स होता है उसको मास से आइडेंटिकल किया जाते हैं, उसके साइज से भी और उसके केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के अकॉर्डिंग। फिफ्थ पॉइंट, atoms of different elements differ in mass, size and केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। कि अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स का एटम्स का अलग अलग मास, साइज और उसका केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होता है। लास्ट पॉइंट, द नंबर एंड काइंड ऑफ एटम्स the number and kinds of atoms differ in mass. The number and kinds of atoms in given compound compound is constant. Dear students, the last points, the number and kind of atoms in a given compound is constant. So this point show the law of definite proportions. Dear students, this theory is very important in modern science, that means atoms and molecules. Thanks, dear students.